Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix back camera not working issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're using an Apple device and the back camera is not working and it is showing black and you're unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, you can see this, my camera is not working right now. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you like this. Then you have to simply update your device to the latest version, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is open settings and then go to general and then go to transfer to iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings and erase your device for one time, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply visit the Apple service provider, and you have to simply visit authorized service provider for Apple devices, and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. Basically, if the problem is with your camera hardware, then it will be fixed by the authorized service providers by Apple. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.